Hello everyone, am I audible? Show your thumbs up if you all can hear me. Thumbs up with a badi wali smile. Yes, we always start our work with smile and we believe that when you will be happy, your work will be happy, right? And yes, smile is magical and smile help you giving you more, giving your artwork more than your 100%. Before starting my class, I want to welcome all new children. I can see so many new artists today. I'm very thankful and grateful to Almighty God that our family is increasing and expanding day by day, and so many new young artists, they are getting connected with us. So I want to welcome you all, my dear children, and today's topic which we are going to cover up is, yes, of course, having a lovely story behind, and yes, this is going to be your favorite. I know you all love to learn and make this kind of drawings. Yes, this is Mother's Day special. Yes, है ना. So this drawing we want to dedicate to your moms. And chalo, without delay, let's get started. Here, as you can see on screen, there are two circles. So this is bigger and this is slightly smaller. If you can compare, it is slightly smaller. है ना. So one big circle for making mom's face and a smaller one for making baby's face. Okay. And yes, our every artwork is having a beautiful story behind. Even today's artwork is having a beautiful story. Okay, so a bigger circle for making mama's face and smaller one for baby. So as you can see, I kept my file vertically. So the very first thing we decide how to use our file. So we are going to use our file vertically, and this artwork is having a beautiful story behind. Okay. So come on, turn your file and keep it vertically and mark your center. Come on, mark your center. And yes, after marking your center, then we need two circles. Because here in our drawing, I want to show a baby. And I'm going to show a baby girl. So if you want to make a boy, you can, but I will suggest you to try baby girl so that you can connect it with save girl, child. And because this kind of topics also you get, so I'm going to make a baby girl. Yes, so mark a center, and as now we are going to get started with our drawing part. So let's learn how to hold your pencil. See, normally we hold pencil this way is for writing, but for drawing you will hold it loose. And when you hold your pencil loose, what happens? Your lines are light, your lines are free and flowy. Okay, so always hold your pencil loose. So I want to check it once how you all are holding your pencil. Will you please lift up files and show how are you holding? Yeah, perfect, absolutely perfect. Okay, so now we will start the work. So we will go slightly upper side and here, like this side of the center. This center will help you understand where you would be making. So here, here you will keep it and you will draw a circle. Okay, hold your pencil loose so that your each line would be little light, so that if not in use, you can erase. Okay, and this is story of a mom and a baby. Okay, a girl. And yes, I will slowly, we will go ahead with the story. First, let's learn the basic structure. So say whenever you want to frame any artwork or want to get started with any work, first you decide and frame its basic structure. Like this is going to be my face, so I will not complete face first. I will complete the basic structure of the drawing and then I will add detailing. This should be your method of developing your artwork, whether it is for any competition or you're learning any diagram or anything. You will start with basic structure. Can I check this? It's very important to see, and if I will, as I'm getting message, what is the diameter? Diameter is 4, slightly bigger than 4, or you can take 4 fingers also. That's also perfect. Yes, all of you please lift up files and show me once. Everyone. Yes, perfect. Now we will make 1, 1, 11. A small neck, and we will be making body. Now we will make basic structure. We want to make the body. So what you will be doing now? After this, the last points of the snake line, you will go for gently sloping line. And how much big? As big as your face is, not bigger than this. As big as your face is, you will make gently sloping lines, and these are going to be your last points. Overall, it is 4 fingers. From this to this, it is almost 4 fingers. Could be slightly bigger than that, but not more than that. So I will make the line, and you will see it is exactly the size of circle. And what is the diameter of the circle is 4 and slightly bigger than 4. If you will keep 4 fingers, slightly bigger. So same width we are going to keep here, which is the diameter of a circle. And now you will be taking your, these are 2 points. I'll go very slow as I'm continuously getting messages. Wait. Okay, I will go very slow. And in this story, the name of this girl, this baby girl, is Rani. And her mother was a village lady, like from village, and Papa's job was transferable job. So Papa was continuously, like after few years, transfer in some city or some other place was happening. And as I told you in beginning only, the mother of Rani belonged to a village. So not very much educated, but very excellent at cooking. She was master at cooking. Okay, done everyone? Can I check this much? Please lift up your files and show your work. Everyone? Perfect, very good. Now we are going to make lines. So first, as I told you, we are going to make basic structure. So we are going to make a line, and from here this line will go gently sloping. And how much big I am going to keep? 4 fingers. 4 fingers big line you will make here, and you can make same ways here, and don't make it too much diagonal, very gently sloping. And 4 fingers, you are going to keep it 4 fingers and gently sloping lines. So these ways I will find 2 points. Okay. So as I told you that mom of Rani was very excellent at cooking, but not very good at studies, and especially English was very poor of Rani's mom. And because of this, like many times she was feeling very much inferior, and as Papa of Rani was on a very high profile post in a corporate job. So mother started ignoring going to parties and being social with friends of Papa, father of Rani. Although father in our story is very supportive and very respectful to Rani and Rani's mom. Okay, can I check this much? Now what I did as I'm getting message revise, so I'm giving a quick revision. What I did, I draw a circle using this mom's bangle. Diameter is slightly bigger than 4 fingers, and afterwards I draw 11. I draw gently sloping lines which are equal to the width of face, and then 4 fingers big distance. You can take it slightly smaller than 4 fingers. Here you can see I'm simply making the basic structure. And now you will make the line. Okay, you are going to make a line. So here this line will go here, and here this line will go slightly. Let's complete it. So it is going to be 3 fingers. Okay, 3 fingers, and you are going to make C this ways. Here also you will be keeping 3 fingers, or you could simply show as if this hand is coming in front. So when you want to show that hand is coming in front, so you simply decrease the size, and here I am going to show this ways. As this is very clear with shape, that here I want to show that mother is making laddus. We want to show as if mother is making laddus. Okay, so here this ways I made lines, and with the basic structure is clear that mama is busy making laddus. Okay, yeah. So what I did, I kept it 3 fingers here, and here I want to show hand is coming in front. When you make it on side, you show the complete width, complete length, but when you want to show the hand is coming in front, so you decrease the size as we did here. Okay? And we will be showing 3 fingers big distance. This is going to be elbow. I will go very slow. I'll take a pause as continuously I'm getting messages to take a pause. So I will check the work and then we will move ahead. Okay, so whenever you want to start any work, this is going to be the way you will be getting started with. Okay? Basic structure, and this position, this line figure will help you deciding the position of your hand and what is going to be the position of your hand. Okay? So I made hands this way, and now we will come on elbows, mark a line on elbows. Can I check this much first? Hopefully the pauses I am taking would be of great help. Will you please lift up files and show your work? It's so beautiful and so amazing. Very good. Very nice. I can still see few of you are showing thumb down. I'll take a pause of 1 more minute and then we will move ahead. Okay. Today we will complete drawing, and next class we will complete coloring. And this drawing we want to dedicate to our moms. Okay. So as Rani's mom belonged to a village, there like not good schools and no missionary or convent school. So mother was very good at Hindi but was not comfortable with English. And but today like English is something which is considered as the token symbol of your smartness, education. And but it's never like this. If you're good at your language, if your mother tongue, then I think it's more than enough. So, but this was kind of complex in mind and heart of mother of Rani, and that's why she was not getting social. She was not able to, she was not going to even the parties and meetings where Papa was asking her to accompany. And because she was fearful that if anybody will ask anything in English, I won't be able to reply. Chalo, now what you will do, this elbow you have now, you will mark a point near elbow and you will come 3 fingers below, 2.5. So let's take it 2.5. 2.5. You will mark a line and you will go slightly out. 1 finger you can go out. And here also 1 finger you could go out, or it could be a little bigger. And you will go diagonal. Okay. I simply want to show that she is sitting and making laddus, soft motichur ke laddus. Tell me how many of you love to have it? Yes, it's favorite of ours. We love to have soft desi ghee ke motichur ke laddus, and mama was expert of making it. Okay. So like she was very good at making different kind of snacks and different kind of things. But right from beginning, when Rani was very young, was able to observe that mama is not getting open with others around because of the complex that I don't know English. Can I check the work? Please lift up files and show your work. Perfect. Now here what we did, my dear children, you can see clearly, I made the basic structure, right? And we want to show kitchen, and this is a traditional kitchen. Okay, so that's why in traditional kitchen, female women, they sit on floor and cook. So we are going to show this ways. Now let's start with the detailing. Okay, so after making this basic structure, now we will start with detailing. So chalo, now let's get started. But before this, I want to check the work 1 more time. Will you please lift up files and show the work 1 more time, because the basic structure should be perfect. Otherwise, the whole drawing will suffer. Perfect. Excellent. So we will complete mama first and then baby. And so I'm going to make a girl, but if you want to make a boy, you can make a boy also. So now we will start with the face. So for making face, what you will do, you will mark a center and you will go for this kind of curved line. You can make this line straight also. if you want, and this is the way you will be making a kind of curved V. The arms are slightly curved, it's looking like flat S, and you will mark the last points also. Okay, and I want to show beauty of mom with ears. Okay, I'll wait. I'll not go fast. I'll wait. We will go very slow. And what you will do now after doing this? Done, everyone? Yes. Now you are going to make ears. And don't forget to make earrings. Just 2 circles. We are going to keep it quite simple. And here we will show Mama is cooking laddus and the baby is asking, Mama, give me one, and Mama is saying no. First we will offer prasadam and then you will get. And then quickly this Rani is coming, she rushed, wash hands properly, and then took 1 or 2 laddus in a bowl and offer to God. And this is a common culture we all are following at our home, especially when we make snacks and some sweet, we offer it as prasadam to Lord. So in how many homes it is happening? Many. And see, one more thing while teaching this and guiding and covering up this point, before having your meal, just close your eyes. Even though your food is not going as prasadam, you're not keeping as prasadam, before having your meals, close your eyes and pray to Almighty God. God, bless this food. Okay, this is a very small practice, but you will see it will add lots of benefit, health benefit and other benefits in your life, because the moment the small prayer you say, God bless this food becomes superfood. Okay, now we will make eyes. So as I want to show Mama is cooking, so I want to make eyes lower side. And don't forget to make eyelashes. And you can make eyebrows little more up. And don't forget to make a big bindi. Okay, I will wait after this. Don't worry. You will make a big bindi. So I made eyelashes because I want to show eyes lower side. While coloring, we will do colors in the way so that the look of, you can make this C a little bigger also if you want. And you will make some lines to show eyelashes. Okay. And we will be showing nose and cute smile of Mama. So this Rani was able to see and observe, and as Rani was growing, Rani decided, like Rani was able to understand, and like it happened many times mom, they speak out themselves with their daughters. So slowly when Rani start growing and she came in class 3rd and 4th, so many times she was asking, Mama, why are you not going to meetings and parties with Papa? Papa always asks you but you refuse. Why so? You should go. So Mama always used to reply, I'm not good at English, and they all will ask questions in English. I won't be able to reply. And in very early age, Rani was able to understand that there is a fear that if anybody will ask in English, so I will not be able to reply. And because of this, that confidence level was sinking of mother. Rani was able to understand this. Okay. Now you are going to make a small tiny nose. If you want to make nose this way, you can. Otherwise, you can simply make a tiny nose, making a dotted line and a cute smile, making your lines 2 times. Okay, you will be making it 2 times, and if you feel you want to make nose, you can. I will be keeping it very simple. Okay? And now we will slowly start adding detailing. Here I want to add a juri. I will add a juri here in the corner, and some flowers are like flowers Mama put. We want to show it this way. Take a small juri with flowers. I will wait for a little time so that I can check the work. And even continuously, like children are also messaging to wait. So a pause of 2 minutes I will take, and then we will move ahead. So now when Rani was in class 5th, she was learning, she was studying in a convent school. She decided, I will start teaching my mother, so that she can rebuild that confidence. So what happened, Rani started teaching mother right from alphabets, afterwards making words, and every day, like after completing homework, Rani became the teacher of mother. And mother also wanted to overcome this fear, and wanted a good tutor who, without underestimating her, could teach. And who else could be better than Rani? So Rani, whatever she was learning in school, right from beginning she started teaching mama, and slowly the alphabets, mama started writing alphabets and then making spellings and grammar and so on, and slowly and gradually mama also was learning with Rani. So Rani, first mama completed the syllabus of class 5th, and till this time mama was able to make sentences, mama was able to speak little bit, and now Rani decided, we will start speaking English, so that you will gain more confidence and your fluency in your speaking. Okay, now you're going to make hands, and for making hands, what you will do, you will make a line this ways, and I see you will take 1 finger distance, and you will come here. You will see this part is quite narrow. Here we kept it little thick, and these are just parallel lines. Same here, you are going to do here, and this is going to be the wrist part. So I will simply make this ways, and the elbow, this is going to be your elbow. So here this point should come in front of it, here it should come in front of it. And now we will complete hands. Okay, come on, do this for this, and make sure the width of the arms which you are making, it should be equal. It should not be like one arm is very thick, one is very thin. You will see this distance which we kept, and this distance should be equal. Okay, and you must be thinking why this part is small, because this hand is coming in front. So now I want to show that mama is cooking, mama is making laddu. Okay, so now slowly mama was learning, and papa was not even knowing that evening time when papa is in office, and morning time during holidays, mama is learning. And mama, with lots of hard work, with lots of revision, with lots of practice, like whatever homework Rani was giving, mama used to keep it ready, and anyhow, and I was trying to find out time to learn, write, everything she was doing to learn English, to gain that confidence. Okay, now what you will do, you will take eraser and you will erase this corner and make it little curved, less pointed. Right now it is very much pointed, it is pointed but little less pointed, and you are going to make. And now we will complete hands. For completing hand, what you will do, you will simply, you will make the line curved and then straight. Now we are going to give the shape and laddus. So this is the way you will keep your hand. We want to show she is simply rolling and making laddus, and moving it round in palms and making laddus. She was very good at making laddus. So now one day what happened, as mama papa always used to ask, and this ways Rani came in class 7th, and by this time mama was excellent in English. She started reading newspaper, looking at English movies, watching English movies, subtitles, and she was having command over, and Rani was more than happy. And she was reading books. Rani was getting more books issued from library, so that mama can read more and more and more. And finally, one day again when mama papa asked, will you accompany me for party? So mama replied, yes, I will come with you. And papa was surprised that after a big span of time, finally mama is ready to visit. Okay, yeah, now what you will do, here you are going to make this part also. If you want to keep the fingers little straight, like C and then straight, you can go this way here too, and you will make a laddu here. Okay? Come on, make a laddu, and don't forget to make bangles. And for making bangles, what I will do? Simply 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay? So finally she went, and there, like when anyone was asking something, Mama was very smartly replying in English, and Papa was very much surprised and impressed with it. And Papa asked, and when they were returning back, Papa asked that from where you learn all this. So she replied, Rani taught me all this, and Papa was very happy. And then what happened? One more thing happened in this story. Let's complete this. Can I check this? Will you please lift up files? So here we are learning the sitting posture of Mama, and a sitting posture of Mama. Now here we are showing she is making laddu, but if you want to use this posture for some other work, you can even use that ways. Now we will show sari. For sari, what you will do? You will a point here and a point here, and I will connect it here with a curved line. You can go this ways and this ways. You will make a sari, and you are going to make like more lines. You will connect here, and this complete like here we will show sari. Okay, come on, show sari now. Yes, so here, and even the this pointed shoulder part, we will give little erase and give little curved shape. So here you can see when we start with basic structure, then developing it is quite easy. So here also we want to show the same. If you want to show like a big choti in front, Mama's big choti, that will also look great. Let's try choti. I think that will look great. So we will erase this jewelry, and let's try a choti. Choti will give a very beautiful look to Mama's face. So what I will do, come on, erase this jewelry. We will make a choti. Jewelry we tried many times before also. So let's learn something new today. So say this earring we have now, you will make a C very close and one very close. This is a C, again a C on the line of neck, and then C. This is the way you will show a choti of Mama. Okay, simply write a bracket shape and erase all the lines which are coming in choti, and this is the way you will make a choti of Mama. If you want to put flower, you can even put flower in choti. Yeah, so we simply change the hairstyle. At place of making jewelry, we tried a choti. And this kind of C, you will write inside for showing the okay. I'll take a pause, then I will check the work, and then we will move ahead. Now slowly you can see I'm developing my artwork, right? Yeah, can I check the work? Will you please lift up files and show your work? Shabash, it's so beautiful and so amazing. And now for Mother's Day and all, we will pick up some incidents from our kitchen only, from our daily life only. You will erase the corners and you will give a curve. I will check the work first and then we will move ahead. Yes, I will request all of you to lift up your files and show your work. Shabash, very good, very nice. It's a beautiful work and excellently done. And here you can even show like baby is also sitting, or you two siblings like brother and sister, they are sitting, they are helping out Mama. And like you can pick up one incident of your life which is very lively, and here one incident when Mama is cooking something on Diwali, or so the snacks are very mouth-watering and you want to have it, and then Mama say that first we will offer prasadam. So this incident I am going to pick up here. You will be making one line, like one line here, this kind of shape you will add here. Okay, we are going to show this much only, because in front we are going to show a big like pot in which these all laddus are kept. We will be showing all this. तो one drawing which is having more than one elements and objects, and it comes in category of concept art. Okay, so when you connect more than one element in a way that a meaningful scene has been created, that come in concept art. So each artwork is a concept art, and we never prefer making object oriented artwork. So here in this concept art you will see I'm making a mama, then I'm going to make a baby, I'm going to make some still life, that is some pots, and this phase we will complete it. Now let's make a baby, and for making baby what you will do, you will show it here and slightly here near ear. Here you will be showing and very close to shoulder line, and this circle is going to be comparatively smaller. Yes, I will be making it smaller. It could be little more small, so I will go for little more smaller one. So I will simply reduce it. I will give you the diameter also. The diameter of this circle is 3, slightly bigger than 3. This is going to be baby, and can you see the place? It is quite close here to shoulder line, upper side, near ear. You can see this is on the level of ear. And how much big? This is 3 and half, not 4, 3 and half. You can show a small necklace in mama's, है ना? Yeah. Now we will make a baby, and this drawing we want to dedicate to our moms. So yes, this was first victory of mama, and now when they decided, father was that happy to see that mama has learned a skill, and with lots of efforts, and the child, like the baby of them, daughter of them, taught. So papa was that happy that decided to conduct a party, throw a party at home, and finally all the members, team members of father's office, they were invited, and mama decided to cook everything, as she was amazing cook, and she made laddus and sweets and all vegetables and everything she cooked herself, taking help of helper and Rani. Rani always used to be there to help out mom. Now what you will do, you will simply, this is the line, you will go diagonal. Let's complete the face first. So I'm going to make my face, little side face I will be making, and a side face. So in side face what happened, ears come inside circle, and when you are making side face, like see, the line will comes on side. So when you are slightly side face, you are showing slightly side face, so your ear will go in circle. And when you make front face, the ears will go on side, you can see this, and your nose will come in center. But when you are making partially side face, the line will not come in center, it will shift slightly here and ear will come here. And here I want to show that this baby wanted to have these laddus, and again looking at laddus, I want to show the laddus. You can show eyes this ways, and one more line, even for mama, if you want to show eyes this ways. Okay, I'm showing eyes, this is a line, and this kind of C, and one more line, this ways we made eyes of baby looking down, eyebrows, and wanted to have it. You can put a small bindi or you can even avoid it, and this middle line will help you understand where the nose will come, and this cute smile, and as it is mouth watering, so you can show it this ways, mouth watering. Okay? This is the way we will make partially side profile. Come on, finish this much. And I simply want to show it behind. Okay? I simply want to show that is the line behind and is coming from here. Okay, I will wait. All of you finish this much. I will wait and then we will move ahead. ठीक है, तो what I did, I simply draw eyes this way. I will make a line, then a circle, then one more line. Smile is this and a tongue. है ना, this a tongue is little curved you can show, or V shape you can write in the corner. Okay, and you will erase this line as I want to show a village girl only. That's why I'm making this ways, and you will be making it this ways, coming and holding, coming from back side and holding mama's hand. Mama, please give me one. Another here, see, I will show it one more time. Here you will make a C. The lines will come straight and they will go and reach to mama's hand. Okay? And we will simply show the hand. For all of you finish this much and then we will move ahead. We simply want to show is looking from back side. Okay, what is happening in front. You can make a straight line and small hand we will be making, reaching to mama's hand. Outer line will be bigger and reach to mama's hand. And where it touch mama's hand, na, there you can show C 2 times. And you all will be getting recording of the class. I will request all of you to try this drawing with help of recorded sessions so that you will get better understanding. And this kind of artworks, like in competition, many times this kind of topics we cover up, so it will help you. And whatever you are learning, especially figure anatomy, is going to help you a lot growing. We kept our figures very simple, lines. I'm showing it one more time. See, 2 lines are coming down and going and reaching to mama's hand. And a big C shape to show dress. Okay, you will make a line and connect it here. Here you will make one more line. This is another hand. This line which you made one more line, this is another hand. With colors, like you will be able to differentiate that which line and where. And I want to make 2 plates of this baby. Take a baby girl, and then we will add some things in which everything is kept and mama is keeping in a thal, or this we will be making. Can I check this much? Will you please lift up files? So here you can see the face is almost same. We simply draw a C near face and made 2 lines. It is reaching here. And now we are going to show plates. So for plates, I will show this ways. And 1 plate I will be showing here. So I will show this kind of curved line to show 1 plate. Here behind this. And here, as this is slightly curved, so same ways as I made choti of mama, I will make choti of Rani. But I will take a pause, I will check it once, and then I want to move ahead. Will you please lift up files and show me the work? I'll take a pause of 1 minute first, as little time would be of great help completing the work. Okay, so what happened when Papa threw a party? And all guests they reached, and this time mama was confident enough because she was very fluent at speaking English, and as she was very good at cooking, so she was absolutely ready with so many different and tasty dishes. And she cooked sweets one day before, laddus and all she prepared one day before, laddus, gulab jamun and all, and right from morning she was busy in kitchen cooking all different very delicious vegetables and everything. And finally this was time of party, mama decorate everything. Mama was very good at weaving. Mama was very good at doing embroidery, and like there were so many decorative stuff, and even a big wall piece which was embroidered by Mama, है ना, and tablecloth which was done with crochet. So all the things which were giving introduction of mom's creativity, they were displayed in a home. Okay, now what you will do, you will start making plates. C for cat, C for cat, C for cat. Gradually you will go small, and you will make plates this ways. Okay, come on, make it this ways. If you want to make earrings, you can, otherwise you can leave it. Yeah, can I check the work? I will take a pause after this and I will check the work, and then we will move ahead. Okay? Yeah. So what happened in this party when all visited? And what was the response of everyone? And this is going to be the part of our story which I will be sharing next class when we will be coloring. And what ways it changed the life of mom. And it's a very beautiful and very interesting story. Okay? Yes. 1 more minute's pause I will take so that you all could finish this much. Now here, if you want to show hairstyle of some other kind, you want to make a ponytail, or you want to try open hair, you can. I simply decided to make plates. You can connect this artwork with Diwali also, if you will show some diya decoration and all, because Diwali time also, this cooking time, making sweets and snacks, so you can connect this with festival also. And you can show colors all around and little color on face of this, and want to eat snacks because Holi is again a festival of laddus and gujiyas. And you will erase this standing line carefully, even the line which is coming in this plate. You will erase. Okay? And this is the way the figure is almost done. I want to check it once, and then we will come on the pots and containers, and we will show, like, this is old style kitchen, so we will show some racks here with some containers and few things. You can even show a hanging basket, and in which some fruits and vegetables are kept. This ways, and in your own ways you can make it looking great. We are going to show the background quite suggestive. Will you please lift up files and show your work? Perfect. It's so perfect work. So now let's learn. So here I want to make a big container in front of it. You can keep it little more here in front of Mama's dress, Mama's sari, and you will make 2 fingers big. I will take it and will connect it. Connect it with C. Okay, we will go slow. First you make 2 lines. I will go very slow. You will make a big line. The diameter is 4 and 5, 5.5 fingers. This is 3 fingers. And you will come straight and simply will connect it here. Okay, and in this we can show laddus are kept, or a container also we can show. So now things you can make in your own ways. Okay? Come on. So let's learn one object. Now one artwork is giving us teaching of so many things. So here we are going to learn a still life drawing. Making any object, it comes in category of still life. So come on, connect it. Connect it and make the lower part quite flat. Okay, you are going to make it quite flat. And one more thing you will be doing. You will mark 1 line here, 1 line here, and in center 1 line upper side, 1 line lower side, and we will be showing a big plate, a thali, in which Mama is making laddus and keeping. This way we will show 2 pots in front. We can even show a container in which Mama want to put it and keep it safe and packed. You will connect, like the last point of this, you will connect here with curved lines, connect here with curved lines. It's looking like a V shape, and same here. Okay, so here we will make it this way and erase the center line. Okay, so why did I draw a set, two center lines? Then I connect it with help of V this side, V this side, and this is the way I will find a container. And you can make a container also if you want. And if you want to make a container, you can make a container also, in which mama want to keep all the laddus packed. I will make a rectangle. I will wait so that you could finish this. Now the elements around, they are also, it is also having a great role. है ना? So whatever you are making around, make it very carefully and perfectly. You know, when you are shortlisted in top 10 or top 20, so all these small things are going to have its great impact over. Okay? Yes, so I will make this kind of rectangular shape, and lower portion I will connect with help of C. And this lower portion I will connect with help of C. If you want to use scale for making this kind of elements, you can. So this is a kind of steel container, or we can show it as jar and a glass container in which mama is keeping laddus. And here I will show the dough is kept. Okay. So here on Mother's Day, very sweet memory we pick up, and for sure it would be happening every festival in your real life, है ना? So, and now, as I told you, we want to dedicate this artwork to your moms. So this artwork is incomplete without your lines. Open your heart, pour your heart, and show your gratefulness, show your thankfulness for each and everything your mom is doing, your parents are doing for you. Erase all the lines from this jar, and you are going to make again two lines as I made here, and now we are going to show mouth same ways. Okay? And our drawing is about to get ready, and this very sweet incident we picked up, and little background like few containers and something of this kind we will add at back. Now here you can add anything of your choice, whatever you feel like to add in background, you can add that. Okay? So I will keep my background very simple, showing a chest with a fruit basket, because we don't have much space, as I'm using A4 size paper. I don't have much space. Now you connect exactly the way we made mouth of this basket. We are going to use the same method for making this mouth of this. We will make two lines. We will erase the center line, and you will erase all the lines from the jar, like the complete back portion which we have. You will connect, erase, and you will start making laddus. C you will keep writing, C, and you will keep writing C after C, round C, and you will try to show that laddus, the jar is almost full, and lots of laddus are ready. Okay? So here what we did, we draw a line, and bottom side we showed, and this shape could be used for making cylinder shape. And a cylinder shape you would be having in your syllabus. So on that you show one surface area. So here this shape which we tried will help you making surface area. Okay, the in cylinder top and lower surface, flat area that we will be showing this ways. I want to check the work. I will wait for 1 minute, and then I will check the work, and then we will make little in background. Okay, without background elements your drawing will look incomplete. So very important to have few things in background. You can even show a window, a kitchen should have a window. If you want to show a platform with stove, gas stove and all, you can show that, and I will keep it little simple for you. Yes, and this is the way the main artwork is ready. I'm eagerly waiting to see how it turn up on your paper. Will you please lift up files and show your work? Shabash, it's so beautiful and so amazing. Very well done, very good. Now we will come on background, we will add some background. So here I want to add a kind of drawer, kind of almirah in which all material of home is kept. I'm going to make a line here. This is going to be the like floor, this is going to be floor, and this is wall. So we will show it here. You can use scale for making these lines, or you can make it freehand also, and you will show some drawers kind of things in which all spices and all required stuff is been kept. We want to show it this ways with a fruit basket on the top. You can make a flower pot also, you can make a clock also, whatever, like it's completely your choice what you want to keep. And you can simply, if you want to reflect your own kitchen, you can show your own kitchen also. So I will simply show this kind of chest of drawers and a fruit basket. As we are showing kitchen, so fruit basket will look better. So let's make a line and a big fruit basket, and we will show all the fruits. Like you can simply show apple, it is completely filled with apple, so you can show apple. And for making apple, you will simply write 3 connect, 3 connect, 3 connect. You will simply make apple kept here in basket. Okay, and if you want to make multiple fruits, you can definitely make multiple fruits. If you want to make a window here, you can make a window in this corner if you want, otherwise this much is enough. And yeah, this is your complete artwork. Now you can say complete artwork. So here what we did, we showed the main figure, then we tried to show. Now you can see the things which we made all around, and this chest of drawers, a fruit basket, and a few things like Mama is preparing things, so this kind of containers. These all elements, more than one elements, we assembled together to create a meaningful scene. So this artwork will come in category of concept art. Okay, and when you add these things around, you can see this chest of drawer is very simple to draw, and a fruit basket very simple to draw. The things which you draw all around, they are extremely simple, but they actually made it extremely creative. The drawing will reach to next level. It will look very mature and very meaningful. Okay, so can I check the work? Will you please lift up files? Okay, I can see few of you want me to wait. Okay, so see what I will do now. I will start giving outlines. I'm waiting. I'm giving you time of 5 minutes, because outline is something which you can give even after the class. Okay? Yeah. So after this, very careful, and those who have done, they will start with outline. And those who want to use this time for making drawing, please use this time for making drawing, because outline you can give in homework. So very carefully, and I will continue my story next class. It's a lovely, inspiring story, you know, and slowly you will move on each and every line. Very carefully you will try to complete sari, and you can see so many overlappings are happening in our drawing, because yes, we don't avoid overlapping, we know how to handle overlapping. We simply erase the line of the object which is overlapping, and this ways we don't ignore overlapping in our drawing. Now again for mama, you can change hairstyle, even outfit. And if your mama wears salwar suit, so you can try one more artwork with salwar suit, and accordingly you can show your mom actually hairstyle. If your mama wears specs, you can show specs also. So just try to reflect your own mom here. And this artwork we want to dedicate to our dear moms, who are working actively to manage for everything without taking any break and without any complaint. Here we learn some geometric shapes also, 3D shapes also. This container is cylinder shape. So you all would be having 3D shapes, how to draw 3D shapes. So in drawing I try to, like when I cover up still life, I try to cover up the kind of things which could help you in your syllabus also. So the shapes which I am making now, see these two containers which we are making, they fall in category of still life artwork, So one drawing and so many things we are learning. I will wait after this, okay? So please don't hurry. Take your own time and do it. Okay, and we will finish this too. I will request all of you to try this drawing one more time with help of recorded session. When you are learning figure and this kind of artworks, when revision is needed, revisions will give you better and deeper understanding. In this artwork, one face is front face, one is side face, partially side face. So many things we are learning in one artwork. So without revision, what will happen? You will forget. So for growth, it is very much important that you should keep learning and revising whatever we are covering up in class. Okay? So this is the way. Nicely. We will complete plates. I will continue my story next class. Although I'm getting messages continuously, ma'am. Story. Yes, I will continue my story next class. Okay, don't worry. And this is your complete artwork. If you feel you want to add one big, like window at the back side, you could add that. Your kitchen should have windows for keeping it clean and neat. Now fridge and platform and gas stove, whatever you feel like to add, you can add that. I simply add that corner, and I try to keep all the elements very simple, along with a small planter. If you want to add a planter, you can add a planter also on windowsill. And this is our drawing complete. We will color it next class using plastic crayons and brush pens. Okay, we will not use watercolors in it. So be ready with your brush pens and plastic crayons, and we will color this artwork next class. I'm eagerly waiting to see how it turn up. If outline is left, you can give your outline in homework, but whatever you are doing, do with patience. Okay, don't try to finish your outlines in a hurry in class itself. Do it after the class. Let me check your work. It's so beautiful, so lovely. Okay, and do revise. Okay, please do revise the work. Immediately after a few hours of the class, we share the recording of the class. Please do revise. Okay, you all did excellent work. your devoted efforts I can see throughout for continuously 1 hour. You are listening to each and every instruction and implementing them so well, and it shows how devoted you are. And those to be for being in rhythm, little practice will help you, absorbing the instructions and implementing them perfectly. So this is all about our today's Mother's Day special drawing, and next class we will color it and I will finish my story also. So with this I will wind up class. If you like our class and this drawing which you all are going to dedicate to your moms, show me a thumbs up with Badi Wali smile. Thank you so much. You all did excellent work. Take care. Bye bye.